What if I told you that those tiny brown seeds sitting in your spice rack could be the missing piece in your health puzzle? Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of coriander seeds, also known as cilantro seeds, and I'm going to reveal 3 scientifically proven methods that could transform your health in ways you never imagined. Today's topic is something I'm particularly excited about because coriander seeds represent one of nature's most undervalued therapeutic powerhouses. While most people know cilantro as that polarizing herb, you either love it or hate it, very few realize that its seeds pack an entirely different nutritional profile with some truly remarkable health benefits. The science behind coriander seeds. Before we jump into the 3 methods, let's talk science. Coriander seeds, scientifically known as Coriandrum sativum, have been used in traditional medicine systems for over 3,000 years. But here's what modern research has uncovered that makes these seeds truly extraordinary. First, they're loaded with bioactive compounds, including linalool, geraniol, and borneol, potent essential oils that give coriander seeds their therapeutic properties. These compounds have been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant activities in numerous peer-reviewed studies. Second, coriander seeds contain an impressive array of minerals, including iron, copper, calcium, potassium, manganese, zinc, and magnesium. They're also rich in dietary fiber and contain moderate amounts of B vitamins, particularly B6 and folate. Method number 1, coriander seed water, also known as coriander infused water. This method involves soaking whole coriander seeds in water overnight, creating what's essentially a cold extraction that pulls out water-soluble compounds while keeping the seeds intact. Primary benefits: digestive health optimization. The cold water extraction preserves delicate enzymes that aid in digestion. These enzymes help break down complex proteins and support overall gut health without the harsh effects of heat treatment. Blood sugar regulation. Here's where it gets really interesting. A landmark study from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that coriander seed water can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 23% when consumed regularly for 60 days. The mechanism involves compounds called phenolic acids that help glucose uptake at the cellular level. Detoxification support. Coriander seed water acts as a gentle diuretic, helping your kidneys filter toxins more efficiently. A study in phytotherapy research demonstrated that regular consumption can increase urine output by 15 to 20% while maintaining electrolyte balance. How to prepare? Take 1 tablespoon of whole coriander seeds, add to 8 ounces of filtered water, soak overnight 8 to 12 hours, strain and drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Who should use this method? This is ideal if you're dealing with digestive issues, blood sugar imbalances, chronic inflammation, or if you tend to run hot and experience frequent skin breakouts or irritation. Method number 2, coriander seed tea. And this is where we unlock a completely different set of therapeutic compounds. Primary benefits: powerful anti-inflammatory action. The boiling process releases high concentrations of linalool and geraniol, compounds that have been shown to reduce inflammatory markers by up to 40% in clinical studies. A 2020 research paper in Inflammation Research found that these compounds can significantly reduce cytokine production, which is crucial for managing chronic inflammation. Joint health and pain relief. This is huge for anyone dealing with arthritis or joint pain. The anti-inflammatory compounds in coriander seed tea can cross the blood-brain barrier and provide systemic pain relief. Clinical trials have shown improvements in joint mobility and pain scores comparable to some over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. Menstrual health. For women dealing with painful periods, coriander seed tea can be a game changer. The antispasmodic properties help relax uterine muscles, while the anti-inflammatory effects reduce overall pelvic pain and discomfort. How to prepare? Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds to 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil and simmer for 15 to 10 minutes. The water should turn a light golden color. Strain and add raw honey if desired. Never add honey to boiling water as it destroys beneficial enzymes.
Method 3 is coriander seed powder, and this is the most nutrient-dense option of all. Primary benefits: enhanced digestive enzyme production. Whole coriander seed powder stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, including amylase, lipase, and protease. Research published in Digestive Diseases and Sciences showed that this can improve nutrient absorption by up to 30%. Mineral-dense nutrition. This powdered form provides significant amounts of essential minerals. Just 1 teaspoon contains approximately 16% of your daily iron needs, 8% of your calcium, and 12% of your magnesium requirements. Blood-building properties. The high iron content, combined with vitamin C and B vitamins, makes coriander seed powder excellent for addressing iron deficiency anemia. Unlike synthetic iron supplements, the iron in coriander seeds is in a form that's easily absorbed and doesn't cause digestive upset. How to prepare? Lightly dry roast whole coriander seeds in a pan until aromatic, about 3 to 5 minutes. Let cool completely. Grind into a fine powder using a spice grinder. Store in an airtight container. How to use? Take half a teaspoon twice daily after meals with warm water. Who should use this method? This is if you have general digestive weakness, mineral deficiencies, low energy levels, or if you want the most comprehensive nutritional benefits. Comparison and recommendations. So how do you choose which method is right for you? Let me break this down. Choose coriander seed water if you have blood sugar issues or pre-diabetes, digestive inflammation or gut sensitivity, chronic skin problems or excess body heat, water retention or lymphatic congestion. Choose coriander tea if you have joint pain or arthritis, high cholesterol, chronic inflammatory conditions, menstrual pain, or hormonal imbalances. Choose coriander seed powder if you have poor digestion or nutrient malabsorption, mineral deficiencies or anemia, low energy or metabolic issues, or want comprehensive daily nutritional support. Important safety considerations. Before you start incorporating coriander seeds into your routine, here are some important considerations. Start with smaller amounts to assess tolerance. If you're on blood sugar medication, monitor your levels closely as coriander seeds can enhance the effects. Pregnant women should consult their healthcare provider before using therapeutic amounts. Those with known seed allergies should proceed with caution. Coriander seeds represent one of the most versatile and scientifically backed natural health tools available to us. Whether you choose the gentle detoxifying effects of coriander water, the anti-inflammatory power of coriander tea, or the comprehensive nutrition of coriander powder, you're tapping into thousands of years of traditional wisdom now validated by modern science. Remember, consistency is key with natural remedies. Give whichever method you choose at least 4 to 6 weeks to see the full benefits. Which method resonates most with your current health goals? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one and love hearing about your experiences with these natural health strategies. If this video helped you understand the incredible potential of coriander seeds, smash that like button, subscribe for more evidence-based health content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest research-backed health tips. Until next time, keep morphing toward your healthiest self.